ATC Weather Lab. Here's Bradley's forecast.
All right, well, another hot one out there today, but some pretty nice conditions. Fair skies, partly cloudy earlier this morning, but again, giving way to mostly sunny skies out there this afternoon. Nice shot here over Lafayette from the station. So again, some very nice conditions out there. It's going to be very muggy out there tonight, and we are going to see more cloud cover as we head into the weekend. And with that, we will see the return of scattered showers and storms. So again, no major issues across Acadiana this evening. Generally fair skies with all the clouds and shower and storm activity well off to our east into portions of Florida, and then back to the west as we get into south central portions of Texas. But again, we will be seeing scattered showers and storms back in the forecast. Now, the Storm Prediction Center, here we go as we head into late tomorrow, really Saturday night into early Sunday morning. This should say severe storm risk, not wind damage risk, but nonetheless, there's a level 1 out of 5 in a place across all of Acadiana. We can see an isolated threat, low-wind threat for 1 or 2 isolated storms containing strong wind gusts and or some pea-sized hail. So we'll be on the lookout for that. Again, that's mainly late Saturday night going into Sunday morning. So let's time it out with the GRAF model. Again, very muggy out there tonight. Temperatures upper 70s, near 80 degrees first thing tomorrow morning, and then we'll favor more of a partly to mostly cloudy sky out there for our Saturday. It's going to stay hot. I think temperatures are still able to push the upper 80s to lower 90s into the afternoon. And again, may start to see a few scattered showers and thunderstorms out there late in the afternoon going into tomorrow evening. Bulk of the activity may be staying a little bit further off to our north and east, but nonetheless, we are in what we call MCC season, so mesoscale convective complexes, and sometimes the models have a hard time pinpointing and kind of getting a hold of the situation in this type of pattern. So nonetheless, we'll still have some rain chances, I think, going into tomorrow evening, but I think a more organized complex of storms is going to be moving into the area again late Saturday night into Sunday morning. Here we go as early as 7 o'clock in the morning, so keep that in mind. Some locally heavy rains will be possible in any one particular storm that develops, so we'll be watching out for that. But the models have been optimistic that we dry out into Sunday afternoon, but we will be left with overcast skies, so a little bit cooler for our high temperatures come Sunday as they fall back down into the 80s. Now, pattern will stay somewhat unsettled as we head at least for about the middle parts of next week. Monday, rain chances down just a bit, 40 to 50%, but then here we go, maybe another one of those complexes moving in Tuesday into Wednesday, keeping scattered showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. But it does look like by the end of the week and then heading into the Memorial Day weekend, some drier air is going to be moving into the area and thus some lower rain chances. So that's some good news. Also good news, rainfall across the area, definitely much needed, and we're going to get a decent soaking out of this. Here's the HRRR model taking us through the weekend. Some areas picking up maybe an inch and a half, depends if you get under one of those heavier thunderstorms. Maybe other areas not so much, but if we take a look at the situation over the next week, say through next Friday or Saturday, it's going to be a good swath of about 2 to 4+ inches of rainfall here across the area. But again, you can easily see locally higher amounts at times, and maybe an isolated flash flooding risk, at least in certain areas. But one thing that's helping us out is that we have been so dry over the last few months. Okay, mild to muggy out there tonight, upper 70s to near 80 degrees first thing tomorrow morning. And then for our Saturday, we'll call it partly to mostly cloudy out there. And again, may see a few showers and or thunderstorms developing late in the afternoon and then going into tomorrow evening. So rain chances 30 to 40%, increasing late Saturday night going into Sunday, especially the first half of Sunday at around 80%, with some locally heavy rainfall possible at times. And then again, the pattern will stay unsettled at least through about Wednesday, maybe going into early Thursday of next week. But then after that, drier air moves in, so rain chances zeroed out and mostly sunny skies back in the forecast into the Memorial Day weekend. Well, that's going to do it for weather for now. We'll have more news coming up after the break.